Everyone, all the participants, all the coaches, very respected coaches working in our country. Very good morning, all of you. First of all, again, I thanks our DG, Mr. Sandeep Pradhan, Secretary General of Volleyball Federation of India, Mr. Jakhar, National Coach, Mr. Sridharan, and our Executive Director, Colonel R.S. Basnoi, Director South Center, Mr. Ajay, and their team up to Parmesh and Assistant Director Stage, everybody who are organizing ANKUS. So I thanks everybody who are giving me this very good opportunity to speak in front of so many coaches in our country. Really, it is wonderful online coaching and giving me this opportunity for this coaching course. I am very happy and very thankful to all of the organizers. I also congratulate the organizers, particularly DG Saab and our Secretary General, Mr. Ram Avatar Jakhar, who organized such a good online coaching program. Now, today, I am going to speak about performance analysis in volleyball. Before me, there are top coaches working in the national teams like Anna, working in the academics, Mr. Parmesh and Jangda like that. They have explained very well about volleyball training and other things. And they also told, like Parmesh told, the testing is part of training. Dr. Jangda also told part of training, testing and analysis is very important. Unless or until you are not doing analysis or testing, your training cannot be successful. So because of that, I am taking today the topic. I feel it is very important for coaches to understand the importance of performance analysis. So performance analysis is required for every coach to understand for better training. First, I will introduce what is performance analysis, what is performance analysis, the need of performance analysis, and methods of performance analysis. This is where I want to talk. Of course, I will not touch the testing. I will concentrate more on performance analysis during volleyball match, during play flow. So introduction, during the training, there are so many matches we are playing in between the players, in between own players, but with some other teams. The performance analysis, individual as well as team, is very vital during training and during the match. During training, we can see our training effect. During a match, we can guide the team with the help of analysis. If we come to know about our weakness and strength, we can work as per our strength and weakness, and we can see the opponent performance also. How the opponent is playing. If we have information about opponent player, opponent team, then we can guide our team better in the match also. So performance analysis, individual as well as team, very, very important in training as well as in match. Second, it will help in preparing game plan, upcoming matches. Once you have information about your team and opponent team, you can make the strategy, you can make the game plan for the next match. See, now what is performance analysis? Very important. Most of the people are not understanding what is performance. I feel performance is not what we say, what we speak. Performance is not victory or defeat. Most of the people think we are born, we lost because our performance is not good. Performance is the result of performance is victory or defeat, but that is not performance. The performance, actually, what is performance? Performance is the execution of physical and tactical action during the match, during the play. So many actions we are playing. It may be attack, it may be block, so many actions, thousands of actions we are playing. What is the quality of those actions? That is your performance. The outcome of those actions are a result. Maybe if your actions are good, the possibility is there, your performance will be better and the result will be better. Then what is the analysis? Analysis is diagnosing, evaluating the performance from various angles. We know it very well. Volleyball is not linear sport, it is multi-dimensional sports. Playing with the six skills, playing by the six players, playing in small courts, and coming up and back. We don't know where is defense, where is attack. Every time you are in offense, every time you are in defense. So such a game, such a unique game, when we have to evaluate the performance. We have to diagnose from different angles. When we come to know about the information of a player, of a team, from different angles, from depth study, that is analysis. So performance analysis is deep analysis, deep study of a performance of individual as well as team. Now, need of analysis, need of performance analysis, why it is required. I told in the beginning that in the training and the match is important, but evaluation and adjustable of system and strategy. When you are working in the training, you have certainly strategy, you have system, defense system, reception system, attack system, so many other systems covering the attack. You are designing strategy, you are preparing for your team. You cannot make good strategy system unless or until you don't have the information of players and as well as team. If you have information of the team as well as peculiarities of players, then you can adjust your system, you can make the strategy. Then planning and adjustment of training. If you want to plan your training, as Dr. Jangda told, when you want to start the planning, periodization, before that, there is inventory. Inventory, first step of inventory is you must have the knowledge of player and team, where, what is the level, and what level, that level we can come to know only with the help of performance analysis or testing. Then third is coaching team during the match, very important. Nowadays, I feel being a coach, I have a very less experience, only once with an Indian team. Otherwise, Anna is sitting there, he know very well. Our team is not less than in many other national teams, but we are losing because we don't have performance analysis, proper performance analysis during competition. It may be Asian Games, it may be other international competition. There, if we have very good performance analysis, proper information of our team and opponent team, certainly I am sure, 100% sure, Anna could be uh, uh, winning many international competition. When the coach is working very hard, training is very good. Why we are not winning? I have experience only once in international competition. There we lost because other teams are doing performance analysis with multidimensional. They are helping. Actually, other teams like Russia, Brazil, Italy, they have not only one person expert who are doing analysis during the match. Many people are doing and helping the head coach what to do during the match. Our Anna is only one or two coaches. How he can win? He needs many persons, 7, 8 persons who are doing the analysis to support the head coach. Only then we can win. So during the match, it is very important performance analysis contribute to the team performance. Then, of course, Anna told one day about the trends of volleyball. Information for mass media. If our game is not covered by the mass media, electronic and print media, then our game cannot be popular in the masses. And if game is not popular, our player is not recognized properly, not paid properly, the clubs, the sponsors will not come forward. Ultimately, everybody, coach, players, everybody will be in loss. So information for mass media proper is possible only with the help of performance analysis. Where the analysis can be done, as Mr. Pravesh explained very well, field testing. That is motorability testing, skill test, then a laboratory test. That is not our job, that is job of scientist. It may be biomechanical analysis, it may be physiological analysis, It may be anthropometric analysis, psychological analysis. It is a job of scientists. They know very well. So that is also possible. That is a performance analysis they contribute. Then match. During the match, we have many methods. With with the help of those methods, we can do the match analysis during the match, during the flow. Then training, of course, training is only successful if periodically or time to time you are doing analysis as well as testing. This is very much required, and we can do that. Then what can be analyzed individual players? So as I told, we can do the analysis of individual players as well as total team, whole team. So first I will discuss about the individual players. Individual players, physical fitness, as Mr. Pramesh explained very well, all the physical testing he told. Then constitutional testing is the job of anthropometrical experts. Qualitative and quantitative analysis that will do. Then executional trends. Executional trends जो आजकल normally happen nowadays. Anna very well explained the modern trends that is based on the performance analysis, what is happening nowadays. Then psychological factors, very important part of performance, but we are not doing this properly. It is very important part of performance, equally technical, tactical as well physical. Equally psychological factors contribute your performance. Now, but we can do the analysis for the team. For the team, we can do technical, tactical actions of the team total. It may be reception of the team, service, attack, block, etc. We can do all analysis. Skills and their relationship with victory and defeat. All scoring skills, non-scoring skills. Scoring skills, we know it very well. Scoring, service, attack, block is scoring skill. Non-scoring skills is service, reception, defense, and setting. So we can do analysis also, all the skills for their victory and defeat, reasons, and all things. Then rotational analysis of match. This is very important. In each rotation, we can see the strength and weaknesses of the players. If we can come to know what is the strength and weakness of a particular rotation, we can improve the weakness. We can strengthen already skills, already part of a particular rotation. So we might be seen being a coach many times. We have seen we are losing many points in particular rotation. So what were the reasons? We can find out. So with the help of performance analysis, we can do the analysis of each rotation, all the 6 rotations. Then comparative analysis of previous performance, maybe played 1 year, maybe played before.